Hi, my name is Anton, and today we'll be talking about what to do when your 12-volt systems are not working. First, we need to make sure that the main power switch is on. Main power switch is located right here, and the arrow needs to be pointed towards the green part of the switch. So if your main switch is on, then we'll come down here to our waterproof breakers and make sure that the 60 amp breaker labeled PDC is on. You can, if it's on, you can reset it. If everything is okay with the breaker, then we would inspect the batteries and make sure that batteries are on. If the blue light is on, that means the battery is on. If your batteries are dead, then you want to plug in the shore power into your van and turn on the inverter isolator switch, which is located inside here. So if any one of the specific 12-volt systems is not working, then you would come in here to our Furion PDC and open it and check the fuse if it's good or if it's burnt out. So if your fuse is busted, it would light up red like that, and you would know that there is something wrong with one fuse. So you would just go and replace it, and it should fix your issue. If this video helped you, please let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions about any other systems on our vans, also leave a comment, and we'll be sure to make another video in the future about that topic. And as always, like and subscribe for more content like this. This is 27 North. I'm Anton.